named Jun IKEDA. I major in applied chemistry. Today, I'd like to talk about psychopaths. Now, let me start. First of all, do you know psychopaths? Psychopath is one of the mental disorders. The term psychopathy refers to a personality disorder that includes a cluster of interpersonal, affective, lifestyle, and antisocial traits and behaviors. Next, please check this psychopath checklist for a minute. Please. Give 0 to 2 points for items. How many characteristics in the checklist apply to you? Finish. In this checklist, if you get more than 30 points, you are regarded as psychopath. By the way, I got 15 points, so I'm not psychopath. How about you? Now, Robert D. Hare statistically estimated there are 100,000 psychopaths in New York and 2 million psychopaths in North America. In other words, 37.7% North American people are psychopaths. In addition, 15 to 20% the prison population is psychopathic. It is likely that psychopaths commit crimes. Well, I will talk about how psychopaths live together fair. First, I'd like to explain scientific view of psychopaths. There are two topics: inherent of psychopaths and the reason for versatile emotion. First, let me explain about inherent psychopaths. Psychopath is sensitive for dopamine secretion. It is said that dopamine is the central nervous system present. It is important for our motor control, hormone regulation, comfort, has relation with emotion, motivation, and learning. Lack of dopamine occurs some disorders. For example, obsessive compulsive disorder, hyperactivity disorder, and Parkinson's disease. A psychopath cannot control the neurotransmitter, so epinephrine is secreted from the adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is here. Dopamine and adrenaline are secreted in the body. That's why the person cannot control his or her emotion. The adrenal gland is an inherent part in our body. It is a disorder of the brain function. At the present stage, the care is impossible. The next is the reason for birthday emotions. Using advanced brain scanning technique called DTMRI, study group by Michael Craig, Professor, King's College London Institute, discover difference between ordinary people and psychopaths. It is the brain part, ancient fasciculus. These are brain parts: orbitofrontal cortex, ancient fasciculus, and amygdala. Orbitofrontal cortex is related with the control of emotion. Amygdala is related with emotion such as fear, hate, and pleasure. Ancient fasciculus of psychopath's brain is broken or injured. Therefore, the aspect of mind and emotion have trouble naturally. According to this discovery, psychopath care may be possible in the future. Secondly, I'd like to explain about the social implication of psychopaths. Psychopaths exist in all type of work, from company executive to blue-collar workers. Kevin Dutton, a researcher at Cambridge University, said that top occupation 10 of psychopaths are in the book titled Wisdom of Psychopaths. 1. Company president. Number 2. Attorney. Number 3. TV and radio people. Number 4. Salesperson. Number 5. Surgeon. Number 6. Newspaper reporters. Number 7. Police officers. Number 8. Clergy. Number 9. Chefs. Number 10. Public officials. Robert T. Hare said, a psychopath pours energy that you present to like appearance can be carried smoothly myself. In job interviews, convince the company that it is a decision maker, that I'm full of talent and ability, but there are, due to distortion of the facts and all a lie. It is true that 15 to 20% of prison population is psychopathic. Therefore, psychopaths often is misread, misdiagnosed, minimized, or explained away by professional. Therefore, ordinary people may regard them as not only patient with mental disorder, but also criminal. The effect of psychopathy is divided into two types, a positive effect and negative effect. Positive effect can be seen in good workers without emotion. They become president of a company. On the other hand, negative effect is mass murder. They cannot control their emotion. They commit crimes. After all, psychopaths is not suitable for current society. Also, they may commit crimes to lie and kill people. However, question of psychopaths is find out bit by bit. For example, there are discovered damage of brain part and synapse fasciculars. In the future, it can care perfectly in medical aspect. Then the care is sure that we should care psychopaths mental disorder in the light of psychopaths' good points. In reverse, it can be said that the technology care psychopaths may be able to make human beings adjust work depending on research of future. Current society needs positive effects of psychopaths. On the other hand, the care and synapse fasciculars to care negative effects psychopaths is currently impossible. That's why the person may change personality. There is a moral concern. As a result, moral concern is more important than social necessity. In conclusion, ordinary psychopaths live in daily life now. In spite of it, we tend to regard negative psychopaths as antisocial personality and discriminate them. Eventually, without discrimination, we can live together. Thank you for listening.